Hello, my name is Diana Karamakoska, and in this video we'll be looking at two other forms of communication styles. So as we discussed, there were three main communication styles that were aggressive, assertive, or passive and submissive. In this video, we're focusing on passive-aggressive and manipulative styles of communication. When we look at an individual who is passive-aggressive, their behavioural characteristics are shown by having an indirectly aggressive approach to situations. They're quite sarcastic, devious, and unreliable. They complain a lot and sulk with it, and are quite patronising and gossip, and show a two-faced. So where they are pleasant to people to their faces, but behind their backs they are quite poisonous, they spread rumours, and they try to sabotage them. Their non-verbal behaviours are characterised by a sweet voice, an insincere smiling, close touching, and they pretend to be friendly. So it's almost as if they're putting on this facade that they like you as an individual, but really they're just out to hurt you. When we look at manipulative characteristics, these individuals display a cunning type of approach. They're quite controlling of others in an insidious way. So if they sulk a lot, then they hope to achieve something or get what they want as a result of that sulking. They ask indirectly for their needs to be met, often by making others feel obliged or sorry for them. And they use artificial tears. So if they do cry, then it's probably insincere. Their non-verbal behaviours are also characterised by their voice, where they seem patronising, envious, ingratiating, and often with a high pitch. And their facial expressions can look like as if someone's put on the hangdog expression. When we look at a continuum of these communication styles, we can see that on one end we have our passive approach. So this is where it's more indirect and we aren't concerned about our own rights and we want to please others. Whereas with an aggressive style, you're more direct, but in a forceful way that can actually lead to people getting hurt. Now, in the middle is where you want to be with your communication skills, maintaining an assertive approach to all of your situations and interactions with whomever you come into contact with. This also relates to the social domains, where we can see another continuum where the outgoing individuals tend to be more sociable and likable with their fellow team members or organisation members. On the other end of the continuum, we have those who are withdrawn. So they tend to remain isolated. They don't socialise as much as the outgoing people do. And they tend to work a lot more independently, and they prefer that in comparison to being in a team. When we put these four categories together and we look at the social and communication domains, we can see how they overlap. And essentially what we want to do is fall within the middle. So we're taking that assertive approach and we're also maintaining social contact amongst our team members or organisation.